To set the screen mode to natural to get more natural colors in Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find display. Tap display. Scroll down the screen. Tap screen mode and then select natural. If eye comfort seal feature is on, you may notice your phone will inform you that it will be turned off when you are changing the screen mode. However, when you are selecting the screen mode, it will provide you the most accurate color that will give a natural look to images and videos. Also, the screen mode is considered to be more comfortable for the eyes. Moreover, when you are watching the screen for a longer period of time. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.